when I used to be introduced, oh, this is Kajol. This is Gajar. She looks like a Gajar. She looks like a carrot. They didn't have to point that out to me, really. I was pointing it out to myself every day. Shut up! If I were on a dating app, I would say idiots need not apply. If you don't respect yourself, nobody's going to respect you.
काजोल का ये विटी और हिलेरियस अंदाज नजर आया जब उन्होंने हमें ज्वाइन किया ऑन आवर शो Zoom Happy Space with रुद्रानी। अपनी फिल्म त्रिभंगा को मिले ग्रेट रिव्यूज से काजोल दिखी एक्साइटेड एंड शी टॉक्ड अबाउट हर फैमिली, अनोइंग हैबिट्स एंड इवन अबाउट हर डेटिंग बायो। सबसे पहले काजोल ने रिवील किया कैसे उनकी मॉम ने उन्हें दिया था एक वियर्ड निकनेम।
A nickname that was embarrassing. I had all my nicknames were embarrassing. They were all embarrassing and they were all funny. But I think the one that stayed in my mind is what my mother used to call me. She used to call me Gajar. She used to call me Gajar because I was a red baby and my name was Kajol, so it kind of meshed. So my mom and everybody who used to be, when I used to be introduced, oh, this is Kajol, this is Gajar. She looks like a Gajar. She looks like a carrot. So I used to actually, my cheeks were so red and so fat when I was a baby. So she used to actually call me Gajar. So yeah, I had that also. I went through that Gajar phase, yes.
वैसे तो काजोल इस वक्त सिंगापुर में अपनी डॉटर नीसा के साथ रह रही हैं, लेकिन लॉकडाउन उन्होंने बताया विद हर फुल फैमिली और काजोल ने रिवील किया उनकी एक कौन सी हैबिट से घर वाले हुए परेशान।
Oh, I think that they wanted to kill me at one point in time. They really, first of all, so A for one, so as we know, I mean, I have no problems with volume at all. So, when I speak at this volume all the time, 24/7, I can understand. I would get irritated with myself as well. So, I mean, they didn't have to point that out to me, really. I was pointing it out to myself every day. Shut up!
काजोल का विटी आंसर होता है ऑन पॉइंट और जब काजोल से पूछा गया अगर वो किसी डेटिंग ऐप पर होती तो उनका बायो क्या होता।
If I were on a dating app, I would say idiots need not apply, however good looking.
That's important. Ladies, we've learned a lesson today. Here. Okay, as far as
I think it plays a huge part. I mean, who wants to? I mean, good looks are fine, but after a point, they're gonna open their mouth at some point, aren't they? I mean, something is gonna come out of it, right? I mean, however good looking the person may be, after a point, as soon as they open their mouth and you're like, no way, next.
काजोल इज ऑल्सो अ सुपर मॉम और जब यहाँ पूछा गया कि अपनी डॉटर को वो एक क्या एडवाइस करना चाहेंगी ऑन पेट्रियार्की एंड फेमिनिज्म तो काजोल हैड द स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड आंसर।
I don't need to pass on any lessons to my daughter in self-respect. Thank you very much. She has more than enough of it. And she has really more than enough of it. And she is, trust me, ready to take down patriarchy single-handedly all by herself. So there's nothing that I really need to tell her or teach her. But I will say this, and I really hope that women all over understand that taking down patriarchy does not mean standing up and screaming, and it means standing up for yourself and believing in yourself. It is about women believing in women. It's women believing in themselves and having the courage to take that step forward. To realize that even if a man does well in a man's world, he's doing well because he stood up and asked for it. And a woman doing well in a man's world also has to stand up and ask for it. You can't take it for granted that, you can't, for one, you can't be hysterical about it. You have to just stand up and state your case and be very, very firm about it and stand up, and you have to respect yourself. If you don't respect yourself, nobody's going to respect you. That to me is feminism.
Well, काजोल की न्यू इनिंग्स इन फिल्म्स है काफी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू हर फिल्म्स।